Greetings, grade 6 students. Welcome to our online English class. Today, we will have main idea and supporting details. Before we proceed, I'd like to redirect your attention that you need to have with you your reader's and writer's notebook, English copybook, as well as your pen. Another thing, it is a must for you to watch this video, including the video links, before answering all activities. Thank you. For today, we will learn about define main idea and supporting details. Define key terms like topic, topic sentence, author's purpose and theme. Locate main idea and supporting details. Use graphic organizer in outlining the main idea and supporting details. Let's explore first and build background on our topic. There are a few basic reading strategies that will help students improve their reading comprehension. Teaching students how to identify the main idea of a text is an effective way to increase their understanding of the reading. The main idea is exactly what it says. The main or most important idea that the reader should take away from the reading the passage. In other words, it is the point that the author wants the reader to understand. There should be three evidence of the main idea: topic, main idea, and details. What do we mean when we say topic? It answers the question who or what the reading passage is about. On the other hand, main idea refers to the most important point the author is making about the topic. And lastly, the details refers to the specific words and sentences that are repeated in the text. Let's try to define these following vocabulary words for better comprehension of our topic today. 1. Topic. Whom or what the passage is about. Topic sentence is the sentence in the paragraph that states the main idea. Author's purpose, what the author wants the reader to understand. And lastly, the theme, which is a subject or topic that is repeated throughout the text or multiple texts. There are plenty of strategies that we can use when we do reading comprehension. But today, I will give you one of them. This is visual clues strategy. For some books and passages, teaching students to look at visual clues is a great way to determine the main idea. For example, if a text has photographs or illustrations, the reader should think about what is being shown. A book that is about the life cycle of a frog should have images of an egg, tadpole, frog, or any other things related to the life cycle of a frog. Another visual clue is the title. The title usually tells the reader what the passage will be about. Back to the life cycle of a frog. If it is about a frog, the title will probably mention frogs. Let's begin now, grade 6 students. Let's begin with main idea. The main idea is the big point or the most important idea that the writer is communicating to the reader. Often, the reader can find the main idea just by looking at the title. For example, a passage titled "Why Students Should Have Less Homework" will include reasons for that idea. What's the point? Read this short paragraph. Engineers create wealth for society. So, tennis is a game and the resources of the earth are scarce. Have you gone mad? Thus, the only solution is to educate the public on being socially responsible. Question: did this make sense? Of course not. It didn't have a main idea. We would go crazy if texts were written like this all the time. It was difficult to understand because it was made of different ideas that did not link. There was no common thread. The good news is that normal passages have main ideas. Main idea is like the heart of the text or the paragraph. It is the controlling idea. All the other supporting details in the text or within a paragraph should tell us more about the main idea. Ask yourself, what's the main idea? It answers the question, who or what is this passage all about? Many paragraphs have topic sentences that indicate the main idea. Find the topic sentence in this paragraph. Homeless people have many problems. In winter, it's hard to stay warm and it gets too hot in summer. It's also hard to keep things safe without a home. Worst is the lack of privacy. Supporting details prove the value of the main idea. What are they here for? Let's read the selection or the short paragraph one more time. Homeless people have many problems. In winter, it's hard to stay warm and it gets too hot in summer. It's also hard to keep things safe. Without a home, worst is the lack of privacy. The supporting details are in bold letters. There are 3 points to support the topic or the topic sentence or the main idea. Let me read to you the 3 supporting details. In winter, it's hard to stay warm and it gets too hot in summer. It's also hard to keep things safe without a home. And lastly, worse is the lack of privacy. All these 3 sentences are so-called supporting details that supports the main idea, which is homeless people have many problems. Stated and implied idea. Sometimes a paragraph has a stated main idea, usually in the topic sentence. This means the paragraph says what the main idea is. Sometimes a paragraph doesn't have a stated main idea, but has an implied main idea. Simply that you need to state the main idea in your own words because it doesn't actually say in the paragraph. Let's take a look at 2 examples. The students had fun on their field trip. They visited the Marine Museum. They were able to tour a tugboat and they bought souvenirs in the gift shop. After the tours, they ate a picnic lunch in the park and played with their friends. The underlined portion of the sentence is the main idea and is stated for the reader. Samantha, I can't eat or sleep when you are gone. I need to hear your soothing voice and see your lovely smile. I miss that special way you sing. Please come home soon. In this paragraph, the main idea isn't stated. However, by reading the paragraph, the reader can determine the main idea, which is the author misses Samantha. Well done, grade 6. What about in the case if there's too much information? All of the sentences in a paragraph should support the main idea of that paragraph. Information that does not support the main idea does not belong in the same paragraph. Take a look at the example on the next slide. Find the extra information that does not support the main idea. Maria offered to help her mother clean the house. She vacuumed the living room and dusted the furniture. She picked up the toys in the playroom. She ate a ham sandwich for lunch. Then she mopped the kitchen floor. Which sentence does not support the main idea? She ate a ham sandwich for lunch. That is a sentence which does not support the main idea. Well done, grade 6. Find the sentence that does not support the main idea again. Winter provides the opportunity for many outdoor activities. Many people enjoy ice skating on a pond. Swimming in the pond in summer can also be fun. Skiing can be a thrilling experience too. After a new snowfall, you can even build a snowman. Which is the sentence which does not support the main idea? Well done! Swimming in the pond in summer can also be fun. That is the odd sentence which does not support completely the main idea of the short selection. Let's try one more time. The rainforest is home to many creatures. Monkeys, toucans, and macaws live in the rainforest. Butterflies and anteaters also lived in the rainforest. Question: what is the main idea? A. Sloth and tapirs are other creatures that live in the rainforest. B. The rainforest is home to many creatures. C. Monkeys, toucans, and macaws lived in the rainforest. What is your answer, grade 6 students? Well done! It's letter B. The main idea is the rainforest is home to many creatures. Another try. Soccer players learn many skills when playing soccer. Soccer players learn how to dribble and pass the ball. They also learn how to control the ball so that they can eventually score. Most importantly, soccer players learn how to work together with their teammates. Question: what is the main idea? A. They also learn how to control the ball so that they can eventually score. B. Soccer players learn how to dribble. Or C. Soccer players learn many skills when playing soccer. What is your guess, grade 6? Well done! The main idea is letter C. Soccer players learn many skills when playing soccer. Good job! Let's do one more. Swimming is one thing that can be done at the beach. Snorkeling is another thing that can be enjoyed. Playing beach volleyball can be a lot of fun. It is also fun to look for shells. Some people simply like to sunbathe. What is the implied main idea? Make a guess, grade 6 students. There are many fun things to do at the beach. That is the implied main idea. Well done, grade 6. Here's another activity, and this time I'd like to ask you to do it by yourself. You can pause this video, read the 3 short selections, and answer the questions in each selection. Thank you. As I promised and mentioned a while ago before we start our lesson, getting the main idea and knowing the details would be very easy if we are going to use graphic organizers. Here is one example provided for you. Look at the screen. There is a main idea and 4 supporting details that supports the main idea. Let's try to read them one by one. Main idea. The Statue of Liberty is visited by thousands of people every year. Supporting details 1. It is located on an island in New York Harbor. The Statue of Liberty is a 151-foot statue of a woman holding a book. Third, it was a gift to the United States from the people of France. And lastly, islands are surrounded by water on all sides. As you can see, the 4 supporting details mainly and solely support the main idea. Here's another graphic organizer. You have there on the top topic, main idea, and there are 4 boxes which are labeled supporting detail. Grade 6 students, the supporting details here are just simply an examples. Sometimes you can have 3 or more than 4. It depends on the length of the selection that you are reading. Take a look at this next graphic organizer. I call this one Graphic Organizers Extended. What do I mean? You have there the main idea, and on the left side, there are 3 boxes for key details or the supporting details. Moreover, if you're going to look at the right side, there is what we call summary. This part, you are going to put the main idea as well as your supporting details in a brief summary of the story. Meaning to say, you are already writing a paragraph, not just sentences. Grade 6 students, I'd like you to follow the 3 links I provided in this video. These are very, very important, very helpful, and very essential for you to understand completely our main topic. The first link refers to the main idea. The second link talks about supporting details. And of course, the last link talks about implied main idea. You can pause this video or you can follow the link after watching this video. This time, I'd like to redirect your attention to your Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 349. Read the short selection, answer the questions, and take notes, students. Please write neatly and legibly and write on the line. Copy the correct spelling, write the correct spelling of every single word that you're writing. There is no other way for us to learn. There is no better way to learn, and there is no other day to learn except now. Once again, grade 6 students, thank you so much for joining me on this session. I hope that you learned a lot of things, a lot of information with regards to our topic today. Moreover, if there is still a need for you to understand and still get you confused, please go back to our lesson and do all the video links. And this way, you will be able to understand. Have a nice day. Be healthy. Keep safe. God bless us all. Thank you so much, grade 6 students. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.